Bookkeeper brings to you yet another exciting feature, a new update that enables you to view your complete business via any browser without having to install anything. Yes, Bookkeeper Web. A completely free update for existing users that requires no additional subscription. View your company from any device using nothing but just a browser. Now easily share GST reports and other business details with your partner and your accountant. This comes with two-level authentication, your subscription password and your company password, to keep your data absolutely safe and secure in every manner. Your data remains in your control. You can choose when to keep or delete your data. Download and install the latest version of Bookkeeper Windows 7.0.2 from our website or by using the link in the description. After installation, you'll get a new Bookkeeper Web option. Click on it, upload your company, and that's it. Now you're all set to view your company details using just any device and browser. Log on to bookkeeperapp.net, log in and click on My Company, then Bookkeeper Web. For queries, write to us at support@bookkeeperapp.net or give us a call at 9999176746. Bookkeeper Web, to make accounting even faster and easier than ever before.